snakes are fascinating creatures with many unique characteristics. Here are some interesting facts about them. No eyelid snakes don't have eyelids, which is why they never blink. Instead, they have a transparent scale called a spectacle or brill that covers and protects their eyes. Flexible jaw snakes can eat prey much larger than their head because they have incredibly flexible jaws. Their lower jaw is not rigidly attached to their skull, allowing them to stretch their mouths wide. Hundreds of ribs snakes have more ribs than most animals. Depending on the species, they can have between 200 and 400 pairs of ribs, which help them move and protect their internal organs. Heat-sensitive pits. Some snakes, like pit vipers, pythons, and boas, have special heat-sensing pits between their eyes and nostrils. These pits allow them to detect the infrared radiation heat emitted by warm-blooded prey, making them effective hunters even in the dark. Variety of venoms. Not all venomous snakes have the same type of venom. Some snakes have neurotoxic venom, which affects the nervous system, while others have hemotoxic venom, which affects the blood. Some species, like the king cobra, have venom that is both neurotoxic and cardiotoxic. No-ear snakes don't have external ears, but they can sense vibrations through the ground, which helps them detect prey or predators. They hear by picking up vibrations through their jawbone and inner ear structures. Shedding skin. Snakes shed their skin periodically in a process called osteodysis. This allows them to grow and get rid of parasites. The old skin often comes off in one piece, starting from the head and peeling back to the tail. Diverse sizes. Snakes vary greatly in size. The smallest snake, the Barbados thread snake, measures just about 4 inches 10 cm, while the largest, the reticulated python, can grow over 30 feet 9 meters long. Conservation status. Many snake species are threatened or endangered due to habitat loss, poaching, and the pet trade. Conservation efforts are crucial to preserving these important reptiles. Lifespan. Snakes can live for a surprisingly long time. Some species, especially those in captivity, can live for 20 to 30 years or more. Forked-tongued snakes have a forked tongue that they flick in and out of their mouths. This tongue collects scent particles from the air or ground and transfers them to the Jacobson's organ or vomeronasal organ on the roof of their mouth, which helps them detect prey, predators, and mates. Legless ancestors. Although modern snakes don't have legs, they are descended from reptiles that did. Some snake species, like pythons and boas, still have small vestigial structures known as pelvic spurs, which are remnants of hind legs. Varied reproduction. Snake reproduction varies widely. Some species lay eggs oviparous, while others give birth to live young viviparous. There are also species that do something in between, retaining the eggs inside their bodies until they hatch, and then giving birth to live young oviviviparous. Autotomy. While snakes can't regenerate lost limbs like some lizards, some species can perform autotomy by shedding part of their tail as a distraction when threatened. However, unlike lizards, they cannot regrow this lost part. Underwater breathing. Although snakes don't have gills, some aquatic species, like the sea snake, can stay underwater for extended periods by absorbing oxygen through their skin. They can also lower their metabolic rate to reduce oxygen needs. Thank you.